I've been making courses for just over 2 years. I put them on Skillshare, Udemy and my own website, and I've made about an extra 50 grand passive income with 0 paid ads, and I'm going to show you how in this short video. It doesn't have to be complicated, just keep it simple and follow these steps. Everything I mention will be linked in the description. First, define the outcome for your students. For example, create Hormozy style reels in Premiere Pro. Create the perfect Fiverr gig that actually sells. Starting with the headline and the title keeps your course going in the right direction. Next, create the course outline. I like to break things up into 7 steps. 7's a nice number. There's also 7 days in a week, which means you can get these shot and edited in a week. Each step should outline a pillar of your course. If you're creating a tutorial, you can just document the entire process in one filming session and then chop it up afterwards. I don't script my entire course, I just script the ads. I'd rather riff off bullet points and edit after where necessary to save time. It's also easier to deliver the content genuinely without scripting the entire thing. Bonus tip, tell your students to complete this step, then move to the next step. When it's as step-by-step as possible, it encourages them to progress and get results. Now you've got to decide on how to deliver the course. What do you really need to show the students? If it's a coaching program, maybe you can just show your face. If it's a tutorial, you show your screen. If it's lesson-based, you can simply use Google Slides and Loom. Don't get bogged down with complicated software and apps. Next, it's time to create your course. As above, you'll either create your slides, shoot your tutorials, or talk to the camera. For screen capture software, I use Camtasia or Snagit. For Mac, you can use ScreenFlow. For Loom videos or slideshow presentations, I use a Shure MV7X microphone, which plugs directly into a MacBook or PC. For video, you can use your webcam. I like the Logitech C920. For talking head videos, I use a Rode VideoMic Pro Plus with a boom arm off screen. It's a very high quality mic, plugs straight into your DSLR, and that's what I'm using right now. My camera is a Canon 90D, but you can literally use a smartphone. What matters most is your content and audio quality is on point. You can create the content in 2 ways. You can script, shoot and edit each video and upload them one at a time, or you can do all of your scripting, shooting, editing and uploading in bulk. Personally, I like to do 1 video at a time so I get to see progress. I also don't have a big task looming over me. I upload each video to Skillshare, Udemy and my own website, which gets me more excited for launch day. I host my courses on my own website using Podia because I think it's easy to use and students like it. And when your course is finalized, it's time to publish. You could create a talking head video like this, turn it into an ad, post it everywhere to get as much organic traffic as possible, or you could run ads to your landing page and try to scale. I create announcements to my Skillshare followers to get them watching again, as you get paid for the minutes, and I'll send out an email to my Udemy list to cross-sell courses to my existing students. Finally, I'll post to my list on my Podia website. From here, just use student feedback to improve your course. The main thing is you get started. If you want to learn more about course creation, video editing, freelancing, 70% off store-wide coupon for all my courses in the description. If you like this video, leave a comment, and if you want more tips, please subscribe. Thanks.